Hello, this is CA Aniruddha Fene. Today I am going to discuss about section 161, that is appointment of director elected by small shareholders. Now this section 151 of the act is applicable only to listed companies, and it gives a power to the small shareholders to have a representative on the board of the listed company so that their voice is also heard. Now, who are these small shareholders? Now, a small shareholder is a shareholder holding shares of nominal value not more than 20,000. So these guys are small shareholders. Now, there are two ways of appointing a small shareholders director on the board. One, the small shareholders meeting a required number, that is minimum 1,000 small shareholders or 1/10 of the total number of such small shareholders, whichever is less, shall send a notice to the company suggesting the name of the person they want to appoint as a small shareholders director. Now, this person will be called as the small shareholders director, that is SSD in short. Now, this person that they are recommending need not be a small shareholder, but he needs to be independent. So, he cannot be related to the promoters or the directors. So, when the shareholders, that is minimum 1,000 small shareholders or 1/10 of the total number of such small shareholders, send a notice to the company proposing a director to be appointed as their small shareholders director, the company will have to appoint that person on the board as a small shareholders director. Now, this notice that is to be sent will contain the name of the candidate they are proposing, his name, his address, the shares held, if any, and folio number of that person if he is a shareholder, plus the names of all the small shareholders who are recommending him, including the number of shares held by them and the folio number. Now, the person proposed need not be a small shareholder. It is not required that he must hold any shares in the company. So, on receipt of such notice, the company will have to appoint a small shareholders director on the board. Now, the other method of doing it is that the company suo motu, that is even before receiving the notice from the small shareholders, they can appoint a person as a small shareholders director to represent the small shareholders interest on the board. So in that case, the notice won't be required because the company will do it suo motu. But again, this is only applicable to listed companies. Now, small shareholders director is considered as an independent director. So he should be meeting the criteria for independence. Plus, he should submit a declaration that he is independent. He is meeting the criteria as per section 149, subsection 6 and 7. Now, rotation criteria is not applicable to a small shareholder director. He is not a director who will retire by rotation. So we don't count him in the total number of directors under section 152 for calculating the rotational directors. Now, his term can be maximum 3 years. After that, his term will expire. So he has to vacate. Now, after a cooling off period of 3 years, he can again be reappointed. But in the 3-year period, that is the cooling off period in between, he should not be associated with the company or any of the group companies in any way. So basically, a SSD, that is a small shareholder director, will have a 3-year term maximum. After that, he will have to vacate. Then, after a cooling off period of 3 years, he can be reappointed. Apart from that, all other provisions of directors will be applicable to him. So after his appointment, if he becomes disqualified under section 164, he will have to vacate under section 167. 164 talks about the disqualification of directors. 167 talks about the provisions for vacation of office for a director. Also, if he stops meeting the independence criteria under section 149, he will have to vacate. Now, a small shareholder director can be a small shareholder director in maximum 2 companies. But these 2 companies should not be in competing business. That is, they should not be competitors of each other. So that's it. I hope this explanation has helped you. Thank you very much.